What up, party people? For those that don't know me, my name's Zach, and I've been vibe coding for about 5-6 months now. I've built full-on SaaS, Google Chrome extensions, apps, really cool stuff, and I had a lot of struggles in the beginning, so what I decided to do was vibe code this for you. I vibe coded a simple one-stop shop free website where you can create an account and get all the tools you need if you're a beginner vibe coder. So this is a great place to start. Or if you're a little advanced and you've been doing it, this still has a lot of resources that can benefit you. So I want to show you really quick. If you go to itlworkshop.com, ITL Workshop, and you come here, you can step into my Ideas to Life No Code Creators page. And I typically walk people through this in a live workshop, but for you guys watching, you'll get access to it right now, and then you can also attend my live workshops if you want. So here's what it has. Quick links to all the things you need to get started right away. Vibe coding, bolt.new. That's an IDE. It looks something like this. And this is a place where you use English words to code software for you and create real software. So right now it's loading. There you go. What do you want to build? Yada, yada, yada. Won't get into that right now. Let's stick to this page. Supabase, this is your database. This is where you're going to store all your data, login information, photos, videos, etc., etc. Every app needs a database. AI Surfer, click this. Highly recommend. I've been in this for 2 years. It's a mastermind. I've learned everything AI in this group. If you ask me, they're way undercharging, but you can start a free trial. Check it out. I pay $97 a month when I should be paying like $500 because it literally has taught me so much and made me so much money. So check out AI Surfer if you want. GitHub, this is where you're going to store your code. Book a call if you want to book a call with me. I'm doing free 1-hour jam sessions. We'll just get creative, have fun, build stuff together, help accelerate your idea. So go ahead and book a call with me there. Community. So I created a community, itlnocode.com. And I'm hosting events. I'm doing vibe sessions every Monday at 5 p.m. Pacific. We're just going to get in there and talk no code, AI, share, ask questions, show projects, things we worked on. It's less pressure, more fun. And then I actually do a one-on-one live workshop, answer questions live, show you how to build an app live. So you can join those as well. Also, you can plug into different resources, different people in the group. And check it out. This is a new group, and we want more people to hop in and collaborate with us. YouTube, obviously, if you're watching this on YouTube, this is my YouTube channel, and then feedback form after the workshop. You can give some feedback. But let me show you how this works. So what you do is you put your app name, what does it do, target audience, main features, design notes, monetization strategy. Just get some core stuff. So your first prompt, which I call it the foundational prompt, is really important to get dialed in exactly how you want it in order to produce a good product. Like good input creates good output, and I found different ways to get better results with these IDEs, these software platforms like Lovable, Bolt, Cursor, etc., by creating a really strong foundational prompt. So I have some saved ones because you can save some ideas. So I have a saved one here. It's going to pull it into here, and you can save your ideas as well. And it's already pulled in there. What it's going to do, if I hit generate prompt, it's going to generate me just a basic markdown prompt. And it's going to kind of combine everything from these different sections, put it together, as you can see, in a prompt like this. What I'm going to do is take this app idea, hit copy, and then enhance it even more. So it's going to open up a GPT I built specifically for enhancing your prompts and getting really quality foundational prompts. So you go ahead, paste that in here, and what it's going to do is ask you some clarifying questions to get a really good prompt. So what you'll do is, I don't know, is it meant to be a mobile app or web app? Okay, let's say it's a web app. And then I'll do 2. Trail data, because it's about hiking. It's a hiking app. So I'll say, yeah, use API. So it actually is like helping you understand how to really set this up properly and use the right APIs. So API from all trails. And I'll do like 3. Yes, get location for leaderboard point system. And then 5, ad type. Yeah, banner ads. Okay, and I'll do this. And what it's going to do is incorporate all that, get more clarification on your foundational prompt, and it's going to generate a markdown format prompt that all you have to do is copy and paste it and throw it into IDEs like Bolt, throw it into Lovable, Cursor, whatever it might be. So give it a second. And if you want to like keep clarifying your questions and keep getting more specific, you can do that as well. As you can see, it's generating a markdown prompt. So markdown is important because it's easily digestible by an IDE. And all you do is you take your prompt here, jump into Bolt and paste it and hit go. And it'll start building out the foundation of your app. And it'll be able to build out a lot of it up front. And then you go and make your tweaks, connect with APIs, back end, and then deploy it. And that's all the kind of stuff we'll be talking about in my group. So join my group in the description below, itlnocode.com. I have a lot of cool stuff I want to show you, a lot of ways to make things simpler, easier. I'm not a technical person. I don't know how to code. I don't want to learn how to code. I want to build really cool shit though. And that's why I put this group together. That's why I've been learning vibe coding, all that stuff for the last 5-6 months, just so I can build stuff and teach you how to do it. So see you in the group.